Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today we discuss about how to prepare trial balance with simple tricks. Now we are coming to the example problem number 3. Prepare trial balance of Sujata and Co. as on 31st March 2020 from the following ledger accounts. Here they are giving name of the account and also amount in rupees. Capital account 1,80,000 rupees, drawings 6,000 rupees, plant 17,000 rupees, machinery 5,000 rupees, opening stock 65,000 rupees, purchase 1,82,000 rupees, sales 2,20,000 rupees, returns here include purchase returns and sales returns 1,000 and 2,000, furniture 5,000 rupees, debitors 30,600, creditors 20,000 rupees, carriage outwards 500 rupees, freight 2,000 rupees, trade expenses 800, printing and stationery 400, rate rents taxes 4,800 rupees, postage 600 rupees, reserve for bad debts here 800 rupees. Now we are coming to insurance 700 rupees, wages and salaries 21,300 rupees, cash in hand 6,200. Now cash at bank 25,500 and last one commission received 1,600 rupees. Now we are coming to above all transactions. We are solving with prepare trial balance without any rules related to trial balance, but we are remembering once accounting rules. Accounts can be divided into three types. We are already described in previous class. Now we are described different types of accounts. Accounts can be divided into three categories. One is personal account, another one is real account, then remaining one is nominal account. Now we are discuss about personal account. It is related to the persons. Rules for personal account: debit is the receiver, credit is the giver. Now we are coming to the real accounts. It is related to assets. What comes in debit, what goes on credit. Here third one is nominal account. It is related to expenses, losses, income and gains. Rule for nominal accounts: all expenses and losses are debit, all incomes and gains are credit. The main theme of these rules we are already know. Without these rules we can't imagine accounting. Now we are coming to first or preparing trial balance, applying rules of accounts or golden rules. The solution here: trial balance of Sujata and Co. as on 31st March 2020. We are already know the pro forma of trial balance. It have four columns. Column 1 is name of the account, column 2 is ledger portfolio, column 3 is debit amount, column 4 is credit amount. Here coming to the capital, we are already passing journal entry for capital. At the time of business started, capital, cash is debit, capital is credit. Why? Because capital is owner of the capital, owner is giving to the business, that's why reason owner account is credited. Now we are coming to drawings. Drawings is related also personal account. When person is drawing amount from the business, here business is giving money to the persons, that's why reason drawings account is debit. Then plant is an asset. According to real account, what comes in debit, that's why reason we are debit to plant account. Now machinery is also asset, it is also debit. Then opening stock, any opening stock of business we can debit. Purchase is goods. According to real account, purchase, when purchasing time goods is coming to the business, what comes into business, it is debit. Then sales is opposite than purchase. Here sales is going out to the business, that's why reason we are credit the sales. Then returns, here returns are under two types. One is direct or another one is less from the output of the one. Now if purchase returns is going out to the business, that's why reason we are credit. Then whereas sales return is coming to the business, that's why reason we are debit the sales returns. If it is not interest, we deduct from the major source. Then furniture is an asset according to real account what comes in debit. Here furniture is coming to the business, that's why reason we are debited. Then debitors debitor is receivers to the business, that's why reason we are debit to the this amount. Then creditors is givers according to personal account, giver is credit, that's why reason we are credited to the amount. Then carriage outwards, it is related to expenditure, all expenses are debit according to nominal account. Freight is also one type of expenditure, it is also debit side of the trial balance. Now we are coming to trade expenses. Here name in expenses is all expenses is debit side of the trial balance. Now we are going to printing and stationery. Here stationery is an asset, printing is charges, the both are according to rules debit. Then rent and rate and taxes, these are all expenses debit. The postage is also expenditure of business, this one is also debit. Reserve for bad debts, here reserve for bad debts, it is reserve according to nominal account, all incomes are credit side of the trial balance. Now it is reserve for bad debts, it's not appear present, it is in future. Then insurance is an expenditure, it is debit side of the trial balance. Now going to wages and salaries also expenditure according to nominal account, all expenditures are debit. Cash in hand and cash at bank both are an assets, all assets is debit. Then commission received is an income, it is credit side of the trial balance. Then problem is solving, then we are calculating both sides. In debit side amount is 4,23,400, whereas credit side is also same 4,23,400. Now we are calculate total amount of both sides. Debit side, here 6,000 plus 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 65,000 plus 1,82,000 plus 2,000 plus 5,000 plus 30,600 plus 500 plus 2,000 plus 800 plus 400 plus 4,800 plus 600 plus 700 plus 21,300 plus 6,200 plus 25,000, it is equal to 4,23,400 rupees, whereas credit side total is 1,80,000 plus 2,20,000 plus 1,000 plus 20,000 plus 800 plus 1,600, it is also same 4,23,400. Therefore debit side total amount is equal to credit side amount, that is 4,23,400. both side is equal, where debit is equal to credit. If you are like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and share with your friends. Thank you all.